6:09 p.m. guys. It's a rainbow. Ang ganda, di ba? Super ganda, guys. Yeah, it's 6:09, 6:10 I think na. Yeah. This is the view right now. Our house. And the rainbow is very ganda. Wow, ah. That's the rainbow. Di siya klaro, guys. Di siya klaro. Ang rainbow hindi klaro. Ayan, oh. Ay, klaro. Against the light kasi. Against the light. So, hindi siya klaro, guys. So, it's 6:10 na. I'm going. Diba, I told in the... Diba sinabi ko doon sa ano ko vlog, sa live stream ko na alis ako. I'm going out 6 o'clock to the store. So, I can buy something. No, not buying. I'm always crediting. Ayan, guys. Tingko. Nakaklaro yung rainbow. So, punta na tayo sa labas. Yan. 6:10. Tapos na kaming magkain. Ayo. Nadiri gwa pa nga tendera. Hala. Dili siya So, gabi na. So, gabi na guys. 6:30. Yan. 6:30 guys. The horizon. Ah, diba? Horizon. And, yeah. 30 minutes out. Uwi tayo ng 30 minutes lang. So, diba? Ganito lang ako maglabas. $30 minutes lang. And going home. So, yeah, diba? Homebody. So, ganda, diba? Ganda. So, beautiful. So, yeah. 1/4 daing or toyo, dried fish, 1/4, and the biscuit, the shampoo, the Milo, and the hairy lychee or rambutan sa Philippines, or hairy lychee. So yan, that's all. And ito, baon tomorrow for my son, di ba? So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting my live stream.